The legendary Usain Bolt's final individual race at a global championship did not end as well as we all hoped, as Justin Gatlin did not get the script, or if he did, he tore it to pieces to beat the Jamaican to land gold, becoming the oldest man to achieve the feat. But here are some reactions from around the world to Bolt's defeat. Bolt rules failure to really deliver for a London crowd. Usain Bolt falls to Americans Gatlin and Coleman in 100 meter. Gatlin stuns Bolt to win 100 meter world title. Bolt bows out of London with bronze. Justin Gatlin gate crashes Usain Bolt's London 2017 farewell party in 100 meter. Justin Gatlin takes 100 meter gold while Usain Bolt settles for bronze. World Athletics Championship 2017. Justin Gatlin beat Usain Bolt to 100 meter gold. Justin Gatlin spoiled Usain Bolt's London 2017 farewell party to take the gold medal in the World Athletics Championship men's 100 meter final. The American shrugged off the hostile reception from the crowd to produce the race of his life, winning the title in 9.92 seconds. Bolt settled for bronze in the final 100 meter race of his career. Jamaica's sprint superstar Usain Bolt suffered a shock defeat in the final individual race of his legendary career, finishing in 9.95 seconds, taking third in the men's 100 meter final at the IAAF World Athletics Championship in London. Usain Bolt shot by Justin Gatlin in farewell World Championships. Usain Bolt settles for 100 meter bronze after Justin Gatlin gate crashes farewell party at World Championship. Usain Bolt third in 100 meter final farewell race at World Championship. Usain Bolt's final race was a disappointing but fitting farewell. Justin Gatlin plays the villain to ruin Usain Bolt's farewell party. Usain Bolt finishes third to American Justin Gatlin. Christian Coleman in final 100 meter race. Usain Bolt's 100 meter farewell spoiled by two Americans. Justin Gatlin, Christian Coleman take gold, silver at World Championship. Usain Bolt's 100 meter farewell party falls flat as Justin Gatlin wins to chorus of boos. Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt defeated in farewell 100 meter race. Usain Bolt has been relegated to third spot in the men's 100 meter final at the World Athletics Championship. Reaction from the man himself next. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment. Please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Usain Bolt ruled the fact he was unable to provide the perfect send-off for his supporters after he was beaten in this final individual race, the men's 100 meter final at the IAAF World Championship in London on Saturday. Athletics' most popular figure was aiming to claim a record-breaking 100 meter title in London on Saturday, but had to settle for a bronze medal as Justin Gatlin triumphed ahead of fellow American Christian Coleman. Bolt, who will still have a chance to claim his 12th World Championship gold in next weekend's 4x1 meter relay, received amazingly strong support from a packed London stadium, but was unable to catch Gatlin and Coleman after starting slowly once more. "My start, it's killing me," Bolt told the BBC. "Normally I would get better through the rounds, but it did not come together, and that is what killed me. I felt like it was there. The fact I didn't get it, that is the reason I lost, but it's just one of those things." American veteran Justin Gatlin was booed after he stunned Usain Bolt to win the 100 meter world title in London on Saturday. Gatlin, who served a doping ban between 2006 and 2010 and won silvers behind Bolt at the last two World Championship, clocked 9.92 seconds, with teammate Christian Coleman winning silver in 9.94 seconds. Bolt suffered a dreadful start and could only claim bronze in 9.95. "I am sorry I couldn't end it on a winning note, but I want to thank you for your support," said Bolt, who embraced Gatlin after they streaked through the line with no clear victor immediately apparent. "It's been a wonderful experience as always." Gatlin was afforded the same rough reception as he had in the heats and semi-finals, loud boos and jeering ringing around the same stadium where in 2012 his rivalry with Bolt was presented as good against evil, given the Americans' doping tainted past. Commenting on the backing he was given, Bolt added, "Yeah, it was wonderful. I did not expect any less. I knew they were going to come out and support. I am just sad that I couldn't come out and really deliver as I wanted to. I was a little stressed, but I said I was going to come out here and take it like every other championship. That is what I did. I came out and I did my best." In contrast to the cheers that Bolt received before and after the races, there were boos for Gatlin, who has served 2 doping bans during his career. At 35, Gatlin is the oldest 100-meter champion in history. His second goal coming 12 years after a triumph in Helsinki. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.